Osaka, a city that pulses day and night. Neon rivers, sizzling street stalls, and a spirit that refuses to be polite. Once called the Kitchen of Japan, Osaka still carries that name like a badge of honor. Here, food is loud, friendly, and unapologetically delicious. But Osaka is more than taste. It is contrast. Quiet shrines that slip between glowing signs, a centuries-old castle standing over a modern skyline, neighborhoods that switch from daytime calm to an all-night carnival in a single moment. In this cinematic guide, we'll walk the city's hottest streets, from the electric chaos of Dotonbori to the tranquil gardens surrounding Osaka Castle. From rooftop views in Umeda to hidden izakayas that locals swear by. Stay with me. By the end of this journey, you'll know where to eat, where to wander, and how to feel Osaka, not as a tourist, but as someone who lived it. Osaka doesn't whisper your name. It pulls you in. From the first moment you step into the city, you feel it. That raw, electric energy humming through every street. Yes, Osaka is Japan's food capital. But it's also a living heartbeat. Neon lights, laughter, and endless movement. A place where every alleyway hides another surprise. And at the center of it all stands Dotonbori. It's chaotic. It's loud. It's alive. A district overflowing with food stalls, bars, shops, and enough neon to make midnight feel like sunrise. The best time to experience Dotonbori? At night, when every sign lights up and the whole street glows like a futuristic dream. And if you try only one street food here, let it be takoyaki. Crispy on the outside, hot and gooey inside, packed with tender octopus and topped with dancing bonito flakes. It tastes like Osaka, bold and unforgettable. Just follow the giant octopus signs above the street. That's where the best stalls hide. A short walk away, you'll find Don Quijote, the most chaotic store in Japan. Shelves packed with everything imaginable. But this one has something special. A massive Ferris wheel built into the building. And yes, you can actually ride it. Go at night, because watching Dotonbori's neon glow from above feels like floating over a river of lights. Next, we arrive at Osaka Castle. Rising above the city, Wrapped in stone walls and quiet gardens, it's more than a tourist attraction. It's a symbol of Osaka's past. Take your time here. Walk the grounds. Let the calm settle in. When you're ready for a change in mood, head toward Namba Yasaka Shrine. Tucked between modern streets, this shrine reveals something unexpected. A massive lion-shaped stage, bold and unforgettable. Small, beautiful, and a stark contrast to the fast rhythm of Osaka. And if food is calling your name, Osaka has a dish you simply can't skip. Okonomiyaki, a savory pancake, sizzling on the grill, packed with cabbage, seafood, pork, even stir-fried noodles, topped with sweet sauce and dancing bonito flakes. One of the best places to try it? Fukutaro, a local favorite, rich, flavorful, unforgettable. Next, we rise toward the Umeda Sky Building. Even the escalator ride feels unforgettable. Suspended between two towers, drifting upward through open air. And at the top, Osaka stretches out beneath you in every direction. A shimmering cityscape, endless, glowing. On the rooftop, you'll even find small love locks, tiny promises left by couples from around the world. From the sky, we dive into the sea. The Osaka Aquarium, one of the largest on the planet, home to more than 15 enormous tanks filled with life from across the Pacific. It's a place of wonder, especially for families, but even adults find themselves standing still, captivated. My favorite part? The jellyfish hall. Soft, glowing shapes drifting in darkness, moving like living lanterns floating in slow motion. Just outside, the Tempozan Ferris wheel towers overhead, one of the tallest in the world. Visit in the evening when the wheel lights up the bay in brilliant colors. Next, we arrive at something truly iconic. Fugu, Japan's legendary pufferfish. One of the most unique dishes you can try. Its liver dangerously poisonous, yet crafted with precision by licensed masters for centuries. If you're in Osaka and want to taste it, just look for the giant pufferfish lanterns glowing over the restaurants in Dotonbori. You can't miss them. Then, we drift into Amerikamura, the heart of youth culture in Osaka. Vibrant, expressive, filled with street fashion, vintage shops, and creative energy around every corner. If you love shopping, it's perfect. If you don't, it's still one of those places you simply have to experience. And before we move on, a quick stop at Osaka's gaming bars. If you're visiting with friends, grab a drink, sit down, and jump into Smash Bros. Or Mario Kart. Some bars even focus on classic board games. Cozy, chaotic, and full of laughter. A perfect Osaka night. Next, we move into Shinsekai, a district glowing with neon, and watched over by the iconic Sutenkaku Tower. Retro streets, bright signs, and the kind of atmosphere that makes every photo feel alive. If Dotonbori feels a bit crowded, Shinsekai offers the same excitement, wrapped in nostalgia. Osaka, once the capital of Japan, now rising as a street food paradise and quickly becoming one of the country's top destinations. And now, we arrive at Universal Studios Japan. Super Nintendo World? The Wizarding World of Harry Potter? Jurassic Park? Yoshi's Adventure, and so many more rides waiting to pull you into their worlds. Hogwarts Express, Jaws, Transformers, a full day of adrenaline and pure fun. If you plan to stay nearby, hotels like Universal Port, Hotel Oriental, the Singularity, and Sky Spa are all just steps away. And finally, Harukas 300, Japan's tallest building. Ride to the top and let Osaka unfold beneath you. A perfect ending to an unforgettable journey. Now, we arrive at Osaka Castle, one of Japan's most iconic landmarks. Its white walls and golden edges rising high above the city. A fortress that once shaped the future of the nation during Japan's unification in the 16th century. If you plan to go inside, try to book your ticket early. The lines can grow long. And now, let's talk about the temples. Among the many shrines in Osaka and Kyoto, one shines with a unique presence. Sumiyoshi Taisha, the grand head shrine of every Sumiyoshi shrine across Japan. A sanctuary of ancient purity, calm pathways, and brilliant vermilion bridges. A peaceful refuge right in the heart of the city. And now, we end this journey with two final food recommendations. First, Taiyaki, a warm, golden, fish-shaped cake filled with sweet red bean paste. Crispy on the outside, soft and comforting within. The perfect Osaka street snack. And then, the legendary Pablo cheese tarts. Light, creamy, so soft. They melt the moment they touch your tongue. If you want a little extra magic, pair one with their milkshake. You won't regret it. These were my top things to do in Osaka for first-time visitors. No doubt, Osaka remains one of Japan's most vibrant and unforgettable cities. If you have questions or feel I missed something, share it in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more journeys to come. Until next time.